everyone, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am sorry in advance for my voice. I'm recovering from a cold and yep, there's really nothing I can do, but I am feeling better and I wanted to come on and share these fun embellishments that I had created. I took some Dollar Tree wood embellishments and I believe these are new this year and I altered them. The back is not so pretty, but the front is super layered and what I think is gorgeous. So I had taken the Snowflake from the Dollar Tree and painted it in a pink color, and this is the Folk Art Sheer Blossom. And you can't hardly see the pink actually, but I know it's there. I've layered it so much you can hardly see, the real pink underneath, but there are hints of it here and there. I had taken the jemmies from Michael and I just went I just went between mint and the pinks just to give it that like pastel feel. I had taken a tree dye that I had in my stash, and this is the dye, and I layered it up 3 times. I did it in like a glittery paper in the middle, and I think it just gave it a little more dimension to the tree. And after I cut the 3 pieces out, I folded them in half, and then I went with the Eileen's Glitter Snow. I love this thing. It is like cream cheese, and it dries perfectly. So then I went around the Christmas tree and I added little gold balls as ornaments. And I believe I got these from Hobby Lobby last year, and I know they have them in the Dollar Tree this year. I did lay this plastic snowflake underneath. I popped it up on foam just to give it a little dimension, and then lay the felt snowflake underneath. Again, you can hardly see it, but there's peaks of it underneath. And then I laid another little felt snowflake just to give it that little pop right in the center. I cut a banner out, and then I think this is a new puffy stickers from the Snowy Days or the Merry Days collection. I forget which one it is, and I wanted the embellishment to have a sentiment. I just think it's a nice little touch to all my embellishments. So I used the little puffy stickers just to give it a little bit extra on the banner. This little gold deer is from Hobby Lobby last year, and I think it just gives it that, I don't know, that glamorous element. This is a poinsettia that I got from Hobby Lobby last year, and then I just kind of glittered it up just to give it that little shimmer. Who doesn't love a little shimmer? Little sprigs here and little acorn just to give it that little woodsy element. And I love how they came out. I had a lot of fun creating them. I did use different plastic snowflakes only because I had so many in my stash, and I thought that each one would make the embellishment look a little different. And I just mass produced these, and then I created this little bundle here, and this is going to go out to a pen pal, and I put it on acetate, and in the back I basically use some glue dots and they don't move. I thought about putting sequins in this, but with the layers I just didn't want it to get caught, or I just wanted it to stay really true to its packaging, and I think that it's a really great embellishment. Sorry for the glare. And I hope you like it. I hope you find inspiration, and I will see you in the next video, everyone. Have a good one. Bye.